guys, welcome back to my channel. Why do influencers do that? Like YouTubers. Right now I am just working from home because I am just that badass bitch who works from home. I don't know what I'm saying. I am working from home today, so I just thought I'd bring you along for the ride of me working from home and then kind of how I unwind and do a little bit of a self-care night tonight. So doing some emails right now, just checking on the schedule, the calendar, delegating work, watching the morning toast. That's like one of my favorite podcasts to watch. Right now it is 2 p.m. I don't know what we're doing for dinner, but I know I wanted to get a workout in, show you my skincare routine. Maybe I'll draw myself a bath, read. Maybe I'll get crazy and read. So I don't know. I'll just bring you along. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later. John has left, unfortunately. I'm so sad. Honestly, this week has been really difficult because he's been working so much more. Just peak season. We haven't even hung out more than like an hour together. So yeah, I miss him a lot. I meant to brighten up my mood. I made some food. I'm actually not too hungry. I don't know what is wrong with me. I didn't eat a whole lot today, so I don't know. I'm also doing Weight Watchers, so I do know that I'm trying to like control portions and all that stuff, but I don't know, I'm not that hungry, so I just decided to make a little wrap. So I made like a little turkey wrap. Got some like Trader Joe's like Cheeto chip things, and then a cutie. And then I have a poppy kombucha in here to make it a little fancy. It's raspberry rose, I think the flavor is. And it's good. A nice little meal. I'm watching Summer House. And the dogs are playing. I'm all in my lonesome, but I'm having a good time. Yeah, just gonna watch some reality TV and eat my wrap. So this is what the night has come to. I just got a little hold-a-cone. Honestly, I have really bad cramps. I was really wanting to work out, but I honestly, like, it hurts. And then I'm watching Zane and Heath's Unfiltered podcast with average fashion bloggers, so I'm really liking that. Going through my Instagram feed and editing photos and liking pictures and stuff like that. I had a really big hectic work day at home, so I'm just trying to chill out. Cheers. Okay, so it's a little bit later and I'm still craving something sweet. I don't want to eat anything, so I'm making myself a cup of tea. Thought I'd share with you something new that I got. So I got this gooseneck spout kettle. I absolutely love it. Very like modern type of kettle. So you just press this once for on, once for off, and then it heats up your water. And I don't know, it's just like a really elegant looking pot, and I really liked it. That is what I wanted to share with you. I got this cup from Amazon, and I got this from Amazon as well. So then I made some country peach passion tea, and I put a little bit of honey and just like a dash of creamer, and that's how I make my tea. Oh my gosh, these are just gorgeous. I'm just going to chill a little bit and then drink my tea, and then I will show you how I get all of this makeup off. Hey guys, so I'm in my bathroom now. I wish it was like a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, but it's just my bathroom. I don't know, it's cute, the pink. So what I am going to be doing is taking off my makeup. I actually just got a couple new products that, honestly, this is my second day trying them out, so you're on this journey with me. This is the hack of them all. I really, really love CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. You know, this is not sponsored because I have like 200 subscribers, so I'm being real when I tell you that you definitely need to try this out. I just do like 2 pumps and it is the best. I just put it all over my face. It is really good for people with dry skin. Has no fragrance, is very like jelly, but also turns into like a watery consistency. And yeah, it doesn't have any fragrance, but it's not like a bad no fragrance. Like it just smells like clean, like lotion almost, but it's not lotion. I don't know. I forgot I have eyelashes on, so whoops, my eyes. Also, the key thing is to get a towel that you don't use to dry your body off with. That's just something that I've learned really helps create acne. This is the Thayer's facial toner. Got this at Target. Actually works so good. It does have like a rose scent. It is like pretty florally, but it's not like bad. Like I usually don't like florals, but it's not like a bad floral. You know what I mean? So anyway, I just use a toner. That way it really has helped like create this even complexion for me. I used to have some spots and stuff like that, and this really does help me out. So very, very helpful. So I just bring it down. There's no makeup on me anymore. So very easy 2 steps to get no makeup off your face. Next 2 things you cannot find at the drugstore. So that is Jlo Beauty. I just purchased these 2. I was running out of my Kiehl's and I was like, you know what? I just want to try something new. And I've heard the best things about these. So first of all, the packaging is everything I need. Like, it's beautiful. So the Wonder Cream, you can apply both morning and night. I've already tried this once last night and it was pretty good. It does have like a light floral fresh scent. So it just says to work in upward motions. It's called that Blockbuster Wonder Cream. Then I have the Jlo Beauty that Fresh Take Eye Cream, and it says to apply by patting your eye. So I need to be better about that. Usually I just drag like I just did. Do it how Jlo does it, you know? I love these. These are really, really great. I love how you can stack them and they look beautiful on your counter. And yeah, it's going to be an adventure to see how this works with my skin. I mean, I don't really have problematic skin. I have like the occasional Sally that comes along, but you know, you can't really help those. I think this is pretty hormonal because I am on my period. So anyway, this is something I received through gifting through Instagram. So it's by the brand True Botanicals. They actually did reach out to me through a campaign app that I'm a part of, and they told me that they wanted to work with me, and I just post on stories. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's definitely a good time. So what I like to do is on top of the Wonder Cream or whatever you want to put on your face as a facial moisturizer, you would take this oil, and it's like a CBD relaxing oil. Makes you relax. I'm telling you, like, this is really good, nice, relaxing CBD oil that you can put on your face. It's meant to be put on your face. It's a serum. You can even put it on your neck if you want. Very, very good. So love that. What I do, I'm actually running out of this, which is like a pain, but this is the Glow Recipe Glow Watermelon Ultrafine Mist. And I'm telling you guys, without this product, I can tell a difference. Like, you guys are gonna be like, you're insane, but I can really tell. Next, I'm going to take the number 12 face drops by Luxe Unfiltered. It does work. It does give you a really good glow. You can put it in your foundation, I think, or you can put it in your moisturizer. You can put it as like an everyday glow product. So it's perfect for light tanning. But that is it, folks. Basically it. That's all I do. I am super tired. And yeah, I'm ready to go to bed. And the next thing that I do, the last thing that I do, would be to spray myself with this Brazilian Crush body fragrance mist. I don't know, I saw on TikTok that you should give yourself a little spritz for bedtime, you know, just a little kiss. Alrighty, so this is the bedroom. I don't know if I've showed you guys. I didn't really give too much of a tour when we got this place because of privacy reasons, but this is the bedroom. Honestly, we don't really make the bed except for the weekends because John sleeps during the day, so we each sleep in this cocoon that we make for each other, and it just helps us go to sleep better. This pillow acts like, you know, like a body pillow, so it's really nice to feel cuddled even though when he's not here. And yeah, so I have my silk pillow, his pillow, blankets. There's just like a little cocoon. I love this eye mask. It's from Lenya. It's like a silk eye mask. That way the sun doesn't wake you up. And yeah, it's just really good vibes. I have like a little like reminder to go to bed every day at 10 o'clock. So it's like a little wind down time, or 10:30. So yeah, it kind of like turns your phone off for you to make it seem silent. Finishing my tea even though I brush my teeth. I am so tired, so I'm going to hit the hay, as they say. But I wanted to just say thank you for watching this video. If you're still watching it, leave a heart down below if you watched this whole video. I would really love to see who the hell listens to me ramble. And I would really appreciate if you would stick around. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Be a part of the fam. Like this video if you liked it. Comment down below what videos you would like to see in the future, or what products you are obsessed with your skincare routine. And follow me on all my socials down below. I'll see you soon. Bye.